In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up price alerts in Perplexity AI. First, open the official Perplexity AI website and sign into your account. Being logged in is important because alerts are tied to your profile and won't be saved otherwise. Next, use the search bar to look up the stock, crypto, or asset you want to track. You can type something like Tesla stock price, or use a ticker symbol if you know it. Perplexity will show live market information right inside the results. And you should see a price chart or a small widget with the current price. Click directly on that chart or price widget to open it. This is the area where the alert tools live. If you don't see alert options immediately, try expanding the widget or opening it in its own view. Different assets may show slightly different layouts, but the alert controls are usually near the chart or alongside the price details. Now set your price alert. You'll typically see options like Set Alert or Create Price Alert. Choose the condition that fits your goal. You can pick a target price, which triggers when the asset reaches a specific value, or a percentage movement, which triggers when it rises or falls by a chosen percent. As a tip, think through realistic thresholds, so you're not getting spammed by small intraday swings. Also double-check the currency or market you're viewing to make sure the numbers match your region. After that, configure how you want to be notified. You can use in-app notifications, email alerts, or both. Make sure your device notifications are enabled for Perplexity. And if you choose email, keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder so you don't miss anything. When everything looks good, save or confirm the alert to activate it. You'll get a quick confirmation so you know it's live. Around this point, if you need quick access, I've placed the official link to the Perplexity website at the top of the description. Use that to jump in and follow along. To manage your alerts later, head to the tasks section in your account. Price alerts appear as tasks, so you can see what's active, pause them if needed, or review recent triggers. From the same tasks page, you can edit existing alerts to adjust thresholds or notification methods, or delete any alerts you no longer need. Once everything is set, Perplexity will continuously monitor the asset in the background and notify you automatically when your condition is met, so you don't have to refresh charts all day. Thanks for watching.